y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to apply press-on nails. I'm still not comfortable with going to the nail salon as yet, so I do prefer to do my nails at home. For today's video, I'll be using Impress Press-On Manicure. I like this nail kit because it's cheap. I only paid $5.97 for it at Walmart. I also don't have to use any glue, so it is a mess-free process, and this kit comes with 30 nails including 6 accent nails. The first thing that I like to do is select the correct size nail for each finger. This is actually the longest part of the entire process, but the great thing about this nail kit is that there are numbers on each nail, so once you find the correct size, all you have to do is find another nail with the same number. The kit comes with a few tools to help. The kit provides a cuticle pusher, an alcohol pad, and a nail file. The kit also provides instructions and directions on best practices for applying the press-on nails. Alright y'all, so I do like to prep my nails before I apply the press-on nails. The first thing that I like to do is go ahead and clip my nails. Because these nails are super short, it is important that I do cut my natural nails. The next step in prepping my nails is making sure that my cuticles are pushed all the way back. This ensures that the press-on nails lay flat on my natural nail, and it also minimizes the risk of the press-on nail popping off. Although this step is optional, I do like to lightly file my nails. This helps to get rid of any excess oil off my nails and also provides a coarse surface for the adhesive on the press-on nails to bind to. I'm gonna go ahead and wash all the nail dust off my fingers so that they are nice and clean. I like to use rubbing alcohol as my last and final step before applying the press-on nails to ensure that my fingers are oil-free and ready for the application process. I will be applying the nails starting with my pinky finger, but before doing so, I like to file down the top of the press-on nails to get rid of that lump and make sure that it's as smooth as possible. So we're finally at the easiest step, which is applying the press-on nail. All you have to do is peel the inside of the press-on nail, place it on your natural nail, and then hold it down for 30 seconds. Also, please be sure to add the press-on nail as close to your cuticle as possible. In this clip, I added lotion and oil to my hands to replenish the moisture in my skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!